Hi class, it's Mrs. Garibaldi. I'm here with Tuesday, April 14th math lesson. I hope you guys are having a great morning, and I hope I got to see you at our live lesson. We're going to go ahead and you're going to need your enVisions math book, volume 2, the one with your name on it, and we're going to be turning to page 449. And while you guys get that and something to write with, here we go. All right, so hopefully you guys can see that. I'm gonna scooch it in a little bit. Let's see, scooch it over. There we go, perfect. All righty, so we're gonna go ahead and start. And I'm going to, you know what, I just realized I sprayed my phone with Lysol to clean it off, and I think it's a little fuzzy. All right, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more down here. There we go. Now we can all see. All right, so we're on page 449, 449. And here we go. It says Carlos looks at the chart. He knows that 21 comes just after 20. Draw a circle around the numbers that come just after each of the decade numbers. And remember, the decade numbers are all the numbers ending in 0. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So we're going to put a circle around all of the numbers that come after a decade number. So does 1 come after a decade number? No. But look, after 10 is 11. So let's circle 11. What comes after 20? 21. What comes after 30? 31. 40. 41. 50. 51. 60. 61. 70. 71. 80. 81. 90. 91. Nice job, you guys. So how do we know we're right? What pattern could we find in these numbers that would tell us that we're right? I have an idea. If we look at the decade numbers, what does each of the decade numbers end with? 0. What number comes after 0 on the number line? 1. You're right. Nice job. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn the page over, and we're going to go to page 450. 450. My little coworkers here are Teddy is trying to get me to take him outside. In just a second, buddy, you need to wait and stop being mean to your sissy. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to look at number 1. Here we go. Number 1. We're going to count forward by ones beginning at the number 7, okay? And we're going to go to number 9, and we're going to circle as we count the numbers. All right, so let's start at 7, and we're going to go 7, 8, 9. We're just going to trace over what the author already circled for us. All right, so now let's look at number 2. We're going to count forward by tens, beginning at 7 and going to 30. Okay, so we're going to circle. This is just giving us lots of fluency practice for our number chart. Okay, so let's start at 10, and we're going to count by tens up to 30. Here we go. 10, 20, 30. Nice, we did it. All right, let's go ahead and turn the page, and we're going to go to page 451. 451. And as always, if you need to pause, if I'm going too fast and you need to pause the video, you can pause it and rewind it and start it over if you want. However, you need to do it. Let's look at number 3. Number 3, you're going to count forward, okay, and then you're going to draw a circle around the row that shows the missing set of numbers. Oh boy, you guys. So look, they gave us some sets of numbers here. So they gave us a set of 66, 76, 86. They gave us 67, 68, 69, or they gave us 66, 67, 68. So we've got to circle whatever is missing here. So let's count forward and find out what numbers are missing. Are you ready? Here we go. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. What comes here? 66, 67, 68. So which one is it? Yeah, this one here. You're right. All righty. Now I want you to look at this one. Number 4. We're going to do the same thing. Are you ready? So, oh boy, this is hard though because they didn't give us the number to start on. So we're going to have to count backwards. So thinking about that pattern we were talking about, how looking at the second number and finding that in order. So we look at 44. Well, 4 right here, what comes before 4 on the number line? 3. And so it's 44, so this must be 43. What comes before 3 on the number line? 2. Right, and it's 43, so this must be 42. All right, and then now let's do this last one. What comes before 2 on the number line? 1, and so it's 41. We found the missing numbers. So which one of these says 41, 42, 43? This first one does. Yeah, so let's circle that group of numbers. All right, let's come on to number 5. Here we go. Look, you guys, the missing numbers are in a column, not a row. Oh boy, we're gonna have to figure out what these are. I think some of you already know. So let's count. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And then we could do 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So which one of these rows is 40, 50, 60? The top row again, you're right. Nice work. All right, here we go. They're trying to trick us here on number 6. Let's find the missing numbers. So let's start. I like to start a few numbers ahead to kind of get a running start so my brain can tell the numbers easier. So I'm going to start on 27. Here we go. 27, 28, 29. If you said 30, you're right. 30. What comes next? 31, 32. And we can check our work by making sure, look, it's 1, 1, 1. And you know what I just noticed, you guys? Look, 1, 2, 3. Huh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. And then the second numbers are all the same. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4. Amazing. Okay, so let's find the numbers here. It was 30, 31, and 32. So is this one 30, 31, 32? Nope. That one? Nope. 30, 31, 32. It's this one. Nice. We did it. Now let's turn the page. We're going to go to page 452. So turn it on over. We're on 452. Okay, and this is going to be the page that you're going to submit under today's assignment, okay? Here we go. So you're going to have to solve the problem. All right, so you're going to start at 7. So put your finger on 7, and you're going to count up 18 squares in any way you choose. Okay, so you're going to use your yellow crayon to make a path to show how you counted. And then you're going to draw a circle around the number where you ended. So you get to choose how you count, okay? So think about how you could count up to 18. You can count by ones. All right, so you're going to count up to 18. So start at 7, and you're going to count up to 18, and you're going to color in well, actually, you know what it says? Can I read that to you again? Sorry, this is a little confusing. Let's see if we could do it together, this first one at least, because I want you to make sure that you're not confused. Here we go. So you're going to start at 7, and you're going to count 18 squares. And we're going to see what number we end on. So we're going to start at 7, and then we're going to count up 18 squares. So let's see. Here we go. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what number did we stop on when we counted 18 squares? We stopped on 24. You're right. So go ahead and circle 24 because that's the number we stopped on. Okay? Now, I want you to look at the number 18. Okay? So let's look at number 18 here. How many tens are in 18? What number tells us how many tens are in 18? We're going to circle that number. So there's 1 10 in 18, and I'm going to circle that. The first number, remember, tells us how many tens are in that number. So there's 1 10 in 18. There's 1 10 and 8 ones. Okay, so circle the 1 in 18, and that is for question number 8. Okay. Now you're going to start at 10. So you're going to take a different color crayon, and you're going to start at 10. Go ahead and color in 10 with that different color crayon. Okay. Now I want you to count up 17 squares. And you're going to do this one on your own because we did the first round where we started at 7. Now you're going to start at 10, and you're going to count up 17 squares. So 10 is 1, and then you're going to count up 17. So 1 square, 2 square, 3, 4, up to 17. Okay, friends, go ahead and do that now. What number did you stop at? You said 26. You were right. Good job. All right, my friends. We're going to keep working on this, okay? And I know this is really just building our fluency and counting forward as we use our numbers chart, okay, friends? So if you were not part of my live lesson this morning, make sure that you snap a picture of this, upload it into Edsby, okay? And have a wonderful day. I'm going to stop sharing now, come back to you. I found these really cool light up race cars. Isn't that amazing? I thought this was a really cool background. All right, my friends, I wish you well. I love you. I miss you. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great day.